Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an essential concept from science, the law of conservation of mass. Let's get started. The law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This means the total mass of reactants equals the total mass of products. Imagine a simple reaction where hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to form water. According to the law, the mass of hydrogen and oxygen before the reaction will equal the mass of water produced. This principle was first formulated by Antoine Lavoisier in the 18th century. He conducted experiments that showed mass remains constant during chemical reactions. Let's see a practical example. If we mix 10 grams of baking soda with 10 grams of vinegar, the total mass of the resulting products, including the gas released, will still be 20 grams. This law is crucial for balancing chemical equations. It ensures that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the equation. Let's move to next topic. The law of constant proportions, also known as the law of definite proportions, states that in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportions by mass. For example, water, H2O, is always composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. No matter the source of the water, the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen by mass remains constant. This law was proposed by Joseph Proust in 1799. He demonstrated that chemical compounds always combine in constant proportions, regardless of how they are prepared or where they come from. Let's take another example. Carbon dioxide, CO2, always contains carbon and oxygen in a mass ratio of 1:2. This means for every 12 grams of carbon, there are 32 grams of oxygen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.